OB7 ships directly to you and can be assembled by your team using just basic tools. Let's get started. OB7 is packed in 2 cartons and a crate. Take the robot and the assembly table boxes and set them aside. You'll need some basic tools, some Allen wrenches, and a stiff putty knife. The tab locks are crimped into place for shipping, but are easily bent open with the putty knife. Be sure the tabs are vertical and straight. The hardware on the lid is sharp, so use some gloves. Depending on the accessories you ordered, your crate may contain extra cartons. Just set them aside for now. Next, locate the computer shelves and also the wrenches that are used for adjusting the leveling feet. Just set them aside. Grab the 5mm wrench and unscrew the column from the base. We're using 2 5mm wrenches to save some time. Remove the column and the nylon protective washers. The washers are only used during shipping. Grab the 6mm wrench and unscrew the brackets from the crate. Remove all 4 brackets and set them aside. Then 2 people can lift the base from the crate. While the base might look nice, it's actually a serious industrial tool. The base has industrial leveling feet, freewheeling ball bearing casters, stainless steel bolts and hardware, hefty stability ballast, and a durable powder-coated finish to prevent corrosion. Grab the 5mm wrenches and after placing the column on the base, hold it in place with a few screws. Use the 5mm ball driver. Be sure to position the 12 evenly spaced holes facing the front and the back of the robot base. The feet are towards the front. Note, it's best to get all the bolts started before tightening them. Remove the shipping brackets and set them aside.